Good afternoon, everyone. Wow. It's CES again. And I just arrived last night, and jet lag never worked in Vegas because they get pumping all the oxygen and all the energy from you. That we're here looking for opportunity and looking for innovation. And we don't design the topic for purpose, but we found that dive in. And today, the topic of CES is dive in. And looking at in the swimming sports, everybody's trying to dive in some magic pool. And let's see that what we tried magic way here. Especially last day, that everybody rushed to the NVIDIA announcement. So AI will be some very normal word people talking about today. It's not fancy. It's just everybody should have that. But still, we found that there's still a gap between AI and real life. And see that how can come. In the past 3 years, what we see that after the release of the new GPT, we found that AI starting from the concept in the capital market and turning to more and more physical. When I mean physical or I mean solid, is first one is those numbers, those theoretical numbers didn't exist in the investors report anymore. We see that all those kind of numbers already being shown into the business. So it's already been a proven booming market from the beginning, from the investment into the innovations, into the applications that we're using every day, more and more, and we pay more and more. And through those kind of booming market, what it comes from? We found that we got very diversified new factors in the AI market. So the new innovation technology will be needed in everywhere, from the algorithm, large language models, into the data capturing, analysis, new type of data security for AI, and new infrastructures will be needed because we've got so many new apps that empower with AI. We got so many new behaviors we try to understand. And another way, if we try to bring AI into the real world, how you can convert the algorithm for those professors into something I can touch and I can use, can turn that into physical application. And what we CES got here, we got so many physical device. So how we can turn that AI into some device or some type of experience of the device people can use. And we found that through the AI map, so many new names showed up, so many new type of technology showed up. And while we serve all the developers, people are calling for a new type of infrastructure that they can easily take from the professor's algorithms, you never know what it is, into something you know how you can use it, how you can take it, and you can afford it. So a new type of infrastructure for AI, it's what all the players in this entire showroom are calling out for. And we got tons of feedbacks from my customers that Tuya, since you already provide me the development kit for all the smart devices, do you have a new version of AI infrastructures that it can empower? Yeah, we're here to provide the answer. So this will be a new 3-layer AI infrastructure on the platform will provide to help all the developers, no matter existing developer into your ecosystem, or the new developers, a lot of you standing out there, that you can take off the shelf and to turn those kind of magic AI technology into the physical applications that you can easily and quickly put into market. So the 3 layers will be how you can develop the AI-empowered device, hardware, how you can design the AI agent for your software application, and what foundations you can get from based on all the AI fundamental technologies that are integrated with the Tuya, you can get there. So start with the hardware. If you already been an existing developer for Tuya, you already know that one of the most famous products Tuya have right now is the PaaS. What we call is that targeted at the no-code experience for any device designers. They can easily upgrade or redefine their existing what we call legacy devices into smart one. So it's a totally full stack experience. And we upgrade that. So right now we already offer around 20 AI specific feature on the platform for 8 major categories, which means that it's still the same experience while you develop the hardware along to your platform. You just need to switch whether I need to add in an AI feature, one click, and then you have the feature activated on the platform. So it's still the same code-free experience to design our AI-enabled devices. And we launched it, we pre-launched it in the last fall, and then we found that only within a few months, we got dozens of use cases that come from our customers. That show all the energy in this conference center is that people are searching for all type of solutions. They can easily grab the shelf to go to market. And you can easily check out all the use cases in my showroom. So that's for the hardware. Remember, it's still the code-free AI features you can build upon most of the devices that Tuya can offer. One thing. And the second thing, people say that, okay, anyhow, you only offer 20 features. I want to create something special. I have my own understanding how I can design a new AI user experience. And it's not on your shelf. What you can do with it? Fine, flexibility. So we offer you a pathway that you can design and develop your own AI agent, only through 5 steps. The major things we need from you is that have your concept, have your idea, have a professional product manager or project manager to understand what you're trying to create. And then we have a GUI-based experience to walk you through to design and create your own AI agent. Select your language models, configure what it comes out, and then you can run all the prompts, and then you have the demo. So the 5 steps including that we're already integrated all the major infrastructures, what I mean is large language models on the platform levels combined with the computing powers, we're already integrated and combined with all the developer toolkit you needed. And then what you need is that through all the, understand all the capabilities that we offer, we package that based on the route you want to design your user experience. We put that together and add in your own configurations. And through that, you will be able to build your own AI agent, either on the cloud-based or on the app-based. And then, which means that if you need something more than the 20 features I offer, you can create another 20 of your own. So through that, we believe there are way more smart guys and creative guys on the field that I only offer you capability. So the first page about the code-free features will be only showing the use cases or some of the inspiring actions that AI can take. And then starting from there, I believe that through my ecosystem, a diversified AI experience, specialized in different audience, for different region, for different specific space, and different type of the devices will be created. And if people are talking about that, if I have more capability about software engineering on AI based, what you can offer. So the agent will not only limit it on the cloud or on app based. I offer you agent capability on the device based as well. So today we already launched our new chip module that you can use the device to build your own hardware agent. And this specified agent will be able to directly either connect it to the large language models or the major one in the market, or can bypass through Tuya platform combined with all those kind of capability we're already integrated. So through that, you have more flexibility to create the differentiation on the device side. So through that, the AI feature differentiation you create either come from the cloud-based, come from the app-based, or come from the device-based. So we're offering the entire toolkit and the flex and openness that you'll be able to design and develop thousands of unique experiences. So we try to bring in the use cases. We try to also open the capability to enable all those kind of great ideas to turn that into the feasible application. How can we offer that? Underneath the hardware development and agent, and it's the foundation we built. So it's a layer based on a layer integrated inside the Tuya platform. We're really finish all the necessary integrations, either the major large language model, the computing powers on the cloud basis, and all the necessary features that you need there, including the data capturing, analysis, storage, pass-through, predictions, etc. So we offer you what we call Fusion AI foundations, and then through that we'll be able to offer you, no matter is that AI agent API, AI agent SDK, or AI agent features on the devices. So that will be a very exciting platforms, new layer of the platforms we launched is the what we call AI agent platform upon Tuya. Let's talk about how we can do with that. So remember I said that we pre-launched that almost a quarter ago, and then there were already being a lot of innovative partners. I love them. They offer all me very great ideas. We're really starting to build up very interesting use cases. Let's see what we can do with it. So the first layer is that we see that through the AI features, we're talking about the change the physical world. Then put that into some physical device. What type of device you can build? Pet. So all the data I got from my marketing team, US will always be the single largest pet market. Our American fellows will have over 50 million dogs in home. That's a lot. We don't have data about cats. I believe there will be similar number. And birds and lizards, so many stuff. And so through the AI stuff, the pets, we put it's a pet feeders, come with a camera, so it can tell you what your pet's been doing, and then we upload it with the GenAI algorithm. Because for the pet feeders, they always detect and record what your pet's been doing. But it can a little bit annoying if the video only show you, the video clips without a point. And then in one day, you might have 1 hour video clip about your cats and dogs. You don't know what to do with it. And then GenAI will help. So this will be the video that comes from one of my colleagues' home. He has 1 dog and 1 cat. And then GenAI analysis, 1 week's recording, what those 2 animals been doing, and then pull out 15 seconds video clip, adding its own topic, the video called Nothing to Do, and then put up the background music. It's a song called Nothing to Do, and then put it together, just showing that your dogs and cats need some education. They can work at home. And so in this year, we try to upgrade this. So I think about that, if we get cats, maybe we'll train the GMI to do TV series. So it's not nothing to do. Maybe your pets in home can play a video called The Game of Pawns, The Conquest of Mules. So every week give you one episode what the guys been doing and add in their own line, add in their own background music, and then it's not 50 seconds video, maybe in 5 minutes. That'd be fantastic to make you a star at Instagram. So that'd be one thing. And another thing is that about the pets, because it's maybe it's a pet feeder, or sometimes it's the pet toy. So the AI can also help you to taking care of the pets. One example is that when we combine the video analysis with specific AI algorithms about combined with a vast knowledge base. So it will be able to tell you your cat looks sick. What might be the probable reason and how you can take care of that and what will be the symptom looks like. So you'll be able to just directly send those kind of message to the doctor. And also, that's while you are away, if it's a pet feeder, my dog, he didn't eat anything if I'm away. But I try to feed him. So if it's a pet feeders, every meal we offer a specific amount. But then the feed will be able to give you feedback whether your dog finished that in time or not. With the right speed, and maybe you can try to call him to do something or to take care of himself better, or something like that. So through that algorithms, we try to understand what people want to get from pets and how you can better take care of that. And then the AI assistant will be able to feed you that kind of message, suggestion, and interactions. Yeah, that'll be one thing for pets. What about something about wild animal? I love that. I love that concept. So we have the bird feeder. It's an innovation we co-designed along with the AWS. So through AWS, we have the algorithm called recognition. And will be some concept coming during the COVID period, or people locked in home, work from home. We really got nothing to do. We feel boring. And then people started searching whatever live creatures around me that I can interact, right? Because I can never go outside. And then, okay, the only thing I have is backyard. And the only thing comes in my backyard will be those kind of little creatures. And how I can interact with that. And then we do the bird feeders, you come with the camera. The feeder is there. You put in a little food in there. Once the bird come in, ate something, selfie. And then you got a picture, get a photo. You got a photo, get a video. And every day, the feeder will tell you how many birds by how many times it counts. Interesting. And through those kind of algorithm, can tell you what are the species. And pull out what the species looks like and whether they're rare species. And either you can use that to educate my kid. Okay, my kid is 5 years around, and he's trying to learn what things are around me. Okay, that'll be the perfect example. And also in the same time, you can try to put in different food to attract different birds. But any chances if you attract one bird maybe only exists very rarely in your area, wow, that'll be a really significant exploring stuff. So we have the second version is that to recognize the species. And recently, we just about to release the third version. People give me feedback. Bird is not satisfying anymore. I try to feed squirrel. And whether you can help me to identify skunk or coyote. So squirrel, you're welcome. Chipmunk, welcome. But any chances a skunk or coyote come into my backyard, woo, woo, scare them away. Okay, so that'll be another interaction. So we're trying to take care of the animals. So that'll be a typical example that while you put some AI experience on top of the device, people love that. People really love that. Okay, that'll be a single device. How about if you have a set of the devices in specific space, and then we try to think about from a single device, how you can build an AI-empowered space, like home. Okay, what you can get from home? One thing is that it's so obvious potential, especially for European market right now, is energy. We love the planet. The Earth is getting warmer and warmer. We try to reduce the unnecessary consumption, no matter it's for ethic benefits or for the economic benefit. So we already have the HAMS, Home Energy Management System, for Tuya solution. This is solution we started to deliver 2 years ago. So the concept for that is that based on the understanding how you use each and every of your devices in your home and what kind of outcome you want to get. Either it's comfort temperature, humidity, or cleanliness, or whatever it is. And then we can try to reset that. Like you want to keep your house warm, but maybe you doesn't have to use the AC or the heaters for all the time to keep it warm, because in the afternoon the sunshine will help. So maybe open the curtain and the sunshine to heat it up while you come home at the evening, and then the AC will on. So which means that you can reduce some part of that. Or in some areas, you have the PV panel, you have a solar panel, but the panel only works while you're at work in the daytime, and you don't use the power. So what can you do with it? Either tell my wife, wash the clothes in the morning, never do that in the night, right? Or you can using some other devices you don't require to do the real time while you have the green energy. So that'll be the concept. And what you can do with AI. And then I'll explain that through the AI, there should be 5 levels, similar like the FSD. So in the beginning, while we provide the connectivity, we just offer you a new way to control. It's like the software-based remote control. And then you have a preset scheduling. Like for the AC, I have the schedule in my home is that heat it up in the winter, and starting from November to February, and in the evening, heat it up like every day is 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Something like that, just a scheduling. So level 3 is that we start to set in rules, which we already have that right now 2 years ago. So rules which mean that combine the preset scheduling with some outside data like the weather. When the temperature drops to a specific level, heat it up at what timing, and try to avoid that in the holiday because I'm going to be away. So that'll be a 3rd level. But through AI, we'll be able to hit 4th, 5th level. So we have the adaptive management, which means that right now where we have the level 4, you can combine several variables together. Like we put different type of devices together. We have the algorithms to understand, identify whether those devices will be directly to the outcome you want in the real time, or it doesn't combine with the timing, like the washing clothes. I don't care when you're gonna clean that, right? As long as you can wash it within 24 hours, fine. So the AI will be able to understand those variables and to reset the scheduling based on the outcome you want. And on the level 5 is that you just tell them, taking care of my home. The Javas will run all the device for you. So through the AIs, we try to repackage the algorithm by add in 20 to 30 different type of variables with different type of devices, different curve of consumption of the devices, of energy, and the outcome, and some outsourcing data, so like the weathers, like the location, etc. So through that, right now, we have the AI-based HAMS. First one is that it's an AI-based analysis. While you deploy the HAMS, running that for a few weeks or a few days, depends on what devices you have, then the AI apps will offer you analysis by telling you how those devices are eating your powers, under what circumstances, and how much you pay for that. And then the analysis will start to turn into a system. So then, through the analysis, usually the AI will offer you a few options how you can optimize your energy using, either to reduce the total consumption by turn down some of the devices unnecessarily by specific timing or under specific condition, or use the devices at a different timing, like I mentioned, that use more from the green energy or for lower pricing grid. So through the assistance, it's not only suggestion. Assistant will turn into optimization actions. So you can select some of the options you want to move forward to. By okay, I prefer this idea, and then this kind of AI assistant will automatically reset and running the new scheduling for you. And it will be a closed cycle. It turns back into a new round of analysis. Hello? New round of analysis. Is the microphone still work? Okay. New round of the data analysis by telling you through those kind of suggested actions whether the efficiency is getting better or no, and how you can adjust that. So keep running different circles, and finally, you have your own unique agent for your energy management for your home. So that will be another example about AI can help with the space. But remember, Tuya always offer use cases, but we always offer capabilities. So this will be something in our engineers' idea we think that technology can help. We always open our ears to listen what you think that AI can help, and let's design that together. So that will be two typical scenarios AI can offer. Single device or some space. And something more. It's not only about AI, but also we try to offer some, also easy to use solution. So one of the very exciting solutions that we launched in CES yesterday is that works with the CSA, the Matter, and works with Apple. So right now we have the first Apple home key lock solutions ready, which means that despite about all the AI and apps, right now we have very easy access point to control your lock through any iPhone. And you can try the demos about the locks later. And then through that, you have a more better interoperable through one app and connected to all other devices and then running all the automations together through Matter, through Tuya, and through the device, through Apple. So that will be another innovations. Apple has this idea, and we create that together, along with that Matter. We're always open ears. Through AI, maybe some idea come from AI, maybe come from you, maybe come from us. Doesn't matter. But the key part is that for the collaboration, we contribute what we're good at, and we're looking forward to build more innovations together with more intelligence. And After me, we have a lot of guests to share their intelligence. And I hope you enjoy that we really brilliant ideas. Thank you and have a nice day.